Hi everybody. So today's video is being done in collaboration with PandaHall. I'm going to be making this Tree of Life clock mold that they had sent me. Definitely go check them out at pandahall.com. I will be putting the link for this clock as well as all the other products that they have sent me down in the description, and my discount code, which will get you 10% off of your entire order, will be on the screen as well as in the description.
Don't count the days, they slip through the cracks. Time moves fast, no way to turn back. The sun keeps rising, the moon will fall. So why not fly when you can have it all? The clock keeps ticking, don't let it win. Every moment's golden, let the joy begin. Be bold, be kind, let your soul run free. This world's for living, so let yourself be. Crash through the fear, break through the haze. Life's a fleeting spark, a bright burning blaze. Love like your endless dream while you're awake. Taste every flavor for your heart's own sake. The clock keeps ticking, don't let it win. Every moment's golden, let the joy begin. Be bold, be kind, let your soul run free. This world's for living, so let yourself be. Dance with the thunder, laugh with the rain. Feel every heartache, cherish the pain. Build every day like you're shaping your sky. Leave no stone unturned before you say goodbye. The clock keeps ticking, don't let it win. Every moment's golden, let the joy begin. Be bold, be kind, let your soul run free. This world's for living, so let yourself be.
Okay, so it's the next day, and I decided I want to just color this in with some acrylic markers, and then I've already backed the back with some painter's tape so that I'm gonna cover this with regular resin after the fact. So I think for the numbers, I'm gonna go with gold.
Roots run deep where the stories hide. A clock that whispers can't rewind. Leaves are falling, time won't stay. tree of time, climb it high, let your soul shine. Live, love, lose and find, no second chances, no rewind. Branches bend, they hold the sky. Shadows stretch as moments fly. Catch the fruit before it's gone. The sun sinks low, the stars ignite. Each heartbeat echoes in the night. Tick tock, the tree of time, climb it high, let your soul shine. Live, love, lose and find, no second chances, no tick tock, the tree of time, climb it high, let your soul shine. Live, love, lose and find, no second chances, no rewind.
So here is the completed clock hanging on my wall. I think it came out great and I hope you do too. I want to say thank you so much to PandaHall for sending me the mold to make this. And thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.